So this is a salwar set collection from Vastram. These are cotton Banarasi. The dupattas are digital printed and a very beautiful color combination, bright and attractive. Woven zari buttas all throughout the body of the dress. It's a three-piece dress material. Dupatta top and bottom will be given. The dupatta is 2.5 meters. The top is 2.5 meters. The bottom is 2 meters with all the required measurements fitting in. Double XL till this will be fitting in. Even for the bottom, you can just make it as a skirt and use it as a skirt or a plazo or whatever attachment you would like to do. This is priced at 3,200 and the entire set is going to be of 4 different colors and all are vibrant. The dupattas plays a very important role. This digital printed kind of patola style dupattas these are. So let's go in for this beautiful cotton stuff which is going to make you feel very comfortable. The comfy feeling is what makes customers come back to us. This is also one such beautiful collection. Set number 1, which is a green color, and it's got a green color patala inspired dupatta. The whole body has got, wow, those are all weavings, it's not print, so be very sure how pretty this weaving is. Let me show the weaving part of it. That's your top portion of the salwar set. Wow, that's a pretty salwar set. Let me go close and I'll make you understand. Those buttas, there is some detail working all throughout. Do you see them? There is thread weaving along with it, small, cute little buttas given all throughout. That looks amazingly classy. This is a beautiful set of green in which the no. Bottom is again another dark green. You can mix and match with the combination that you love. This because the dupatta has got multiple options to show you. That's the dupatta of the set. Wow, that's a pretty dupatta. You're going to love them. Tassels well done. Wow, that's in patola inspired dupatta. Tassel torsi. Wow, beautiful tassel done and amazing. So a red color could be your bottom, a blue color could be your bottom, a mustard color could be your bottom, because that dupatta carries whole lot of combinations in it. A nice inspired male. So that is the dupatta and the set, 3,200 for you, and cotton beautiful weavings and it's got zari buttas also. I'll just show you the weaving. That's the entire dupatta for you. The weaving part is here that way. Anyway you will go, any which ways the lining is coming, so it's not going to hurt your body as such. It's going to be very classy. A festive collection for Shankaranti, the upcoming festival season. This pretty set will make you look amazing. Do you see the weaving intricacies? You can make it, wear it parallelly or parallel lines running stripe, or you can make it horizontal lines to make you even more thinner. Either which ways this will work. So that is the set of set number 1 for you on a cotton with patola inspired printed dupattas. The second set is a beautiful blue. I like this color also. All the 4 colors are classy. This is a nice muted blue this got, and the whole set opens up to be the same. The description all holds good. The same pattern, same design. This looks a bit darker, but it's a kind of a muted blue when it comes to you. Exactly. That's how the dupatta, the set will look for you. That's set number 2. Bottom is this, and that's the bottom for you. And the dupatta is so pretty. I like the dupatta set for dupatta work. I am in love with the tassel part. Tassel body ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಂಗ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So that is the, sorry, did I disturb your look? I mean the way you were looking into the video. This is the whole set number 2 for you. Set number 2 in blue, completely weaving, and the weaving of the dress on the body should never be missed. It doesn't got just the buttas, it's got nice intricate weavings all throughout, and they are very very classy. Hope you're going to see them, but when you get this in hand you're going to be feeling very happy. It is like nice. The width is 46 to 40. I'm not sure. Let me check and then post the width of the material. It's above 42. If it's 46 or 44, let me confirm for you. Width of the material. So it'll be easy. The panna is big. Then you can even go for a nice flared part or an anarkali if possible. For people who are a bit on the skinnier side. For people who are healthy, might be yes, a straight cut would work for you. Set number 2 for you. And let's go in for set number 3. We have only 4 different colors in this pattern. This is a nice blackish brown. In fact, it's not a black, it's a coffee brown, alva. It's a snuff black you can call. Oh my god, best of all the colors. you're going to look amazing. Seriously, all colors are pretty. Black is always a base color, right? So without black, lots of colors are not happening. Without white, colors doesn't happen at all. So that's how these base colors are, and that's a nice patola inspired printed dupatta for you in black. Oh, trust me, this is gorgeous enough to make you look like one showstopper. So yes, this is set number 3 for you in black and multicolor. I always told you the dupatta gives you options for multicolored bottoms, so that's what it is. This is the set number 4, the last set, the beautiful yellow, mustard yellow combination. I like this color also. All the colors are what do you say, occasion specific. So black is for party wear, yellow is an auspicious wear, and turn around so that you get to understand the beauty of this product. That's the whole body. You can see the defines and detailings on black. That's the bottom in mustard again, and again it's going to have a beautiful pretty dupatta, which is having a lot of colors, which gives you an option of wearing so many legging options are being given. Those colors in the dupattas are all options for your leggings. 3,200 3-piece set from cotton Banarasi hand woven beauty. This is priced, and links will be given, and you can click the links. It's a beautiful print over there on the dupatta. Don't miss a red color piping border, which is another tassel. That's a pretty dupatta for you. Open the dupatta, complete me. The first dupatta we open, the last dupatta also we're going to open. You're going to enjoy the look of the entire the full open mind. So double side tassel, pretty dupatta, very happy to wear the collection, and that's the dupatta for the entire set. It's a printed dupatta, so that beautiful it's going to look for you. Nice 2.5-3 meters dupatta. Very pretty this is. The width will be given for you when we post the set. This is how the set is going to look. Mele etko manchuru. A tassel ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ದುಪ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. tassel open ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. You see how pretty it is? That's how you're going to look in this dress. So happy shopping from Vastram. Hope you love the collection. Bye. Take care.